A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, my name is Sunil. This is your English period. All of you know that we already completed the chapters and the next chapter is the quarrel. All of you know the meaning of the quarrel? Jagada. So the quarrel. This poem is all about the quarrel between the brothers and the in between the siblings who are going to do a quarrel in between their brother and sisters. They are quarreling. uh, it happens at every home that if two brothers or two sisters or one brother or one sister is there, they are going to quarrel with each other. It happens so many times, but at last they are one. So we can say that the quarrels are going on in day to day in our life, and at our homes also, in between the brothers and the sister. So this poem is all about the quarrel between the brother and sister. It happens, all of you also having these type of quarrels at your home whenever you are sitting and going to read out something, and whenever you are sitting for eating something. It happens. So this poem is composed by Eleanor Furzon. Eleanor Furzon. The name of the poet is Eleanor Furzon. So now we are going to start the chapter. The name of the chapter is The Quarrel. This is among our brother and sister to quarrel all through. Sometimes they may not even be able to say that why the quarrel, but how long do much quarrel last? How do they end? It is common. ये बहुत ही common है. It's common in between the brother and sister. Quarrel is going on all through. Sometimes what had happened, they may not be even be able to say why the quarrel, but how long do so much quarrels are last? Why do they end? Means we don't know the reason how do the quarrel is happening and how they finished, but the quarrels are going on in between the brothers and the sister, and the brothers in between the brothers, and in between the sisters also. So this poem is all about our today's life. Now we are in at every home we are going to quarrel with our brothers and sister. Now let us read the poem so that it's more get cleared in our mind. I quarreled with my brother. I quarreled one day. What had happened? The poet says that I quarreled with my brother. That means I having some disappointment with my brother and is going to uh, talk to his brother. I don't know what about. He really don't know regarding what about the quarrels had happened in between his brother. One thing led to another, and the quarrel is going to be uh, going to be long and long, and he don't know this is about what they are going to quarrel with each other. One thing led to another, and it going to be long because of what they don't know, and somehow we felt out. And this one is happening uh, through the quarrel. The quarrel is going to too long. The start of it was slight, and the starting of the quarrel is very serious, uh, and we are going to quarrel with each other, and we they felt out in the quarrel. The start of it was slight, but the quarrel uh, is very serious. Slight means serious, and the end of it was strong, but it soon it get end. He said he was right at the end of after ending the quarrel. What he said he was right. I knew he was wrong. I knew he was wrong. So he told us that you was right. He hated one another. What had happened after quarrel between two among brothers? What had happened? both of them hated to each other. It happens at our homes also. Whenever we are going to quarrel with our brothers and the sister, what had happened, we are also thinking about that. After quarreling with each other, we hated to one another. The afternoon turned back. What had happened, the time goes on, and soon the afternoon time is there. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back, and suddenly what had happened, my brother came to me and give me uh, a thump on my back. Suddenly he touched my shoulder, and oh, come on, come along, we can't go on all night, we can't do this thing, the same thing, the quarrel between among ourselves for a long time. So he told them, come back, come on, and said, oh, come along, we can't go for on all night, we can't go on all night. It was uh, I was in the wrong. So again what had happened, he accept his mistake and he told us, because he know that no one is there to play with him. So what had happened at that particular time period, we are thinking about that, oh no, I am wrong, come and play with me, oh come along, we can't go on all night. It was I was in the wrong. That he accept his mistake, that I was wrong, so he was in the right. And he was in the right. Right. So this one is a happening in this quarrel is happening in every home, that the quarrel in between the brother and the sister, and they are shouting to each other. After that, one of them accept his or her mistake regarding the same concern. But the thing is that because of this is is happening, because we know that we don't have any other option to play with others, because the brother is brother and every time he is going to help us. So we are going to uh, you know uh, going to uh, make a pardon of that and get back to play with him. So it happens. We hated one another after turn back. Then sudden my brother thumped me, and after that what had happened? He thumped him on his back and said, "Oh come on, come along. We can't go on all night. We can't do the same thing in a whole day. I was in the wrong. I am wrong." So he was in the right. So I am wrong means that you are in a correct way. You are not wrong. So we'll go, we'll play together, and we'll sleep together, we'll eat together. So this one is all about the quarrels between the two brothers, and they are quarreling, and after that one of them accept his mistake, that he had done a wrong thing. So this one is all about the poem. Students, you need to note it down, this poem in your computer, this poem in your English notebook, and after that you have to send it to me in your my personal WhatsApp number, 9953630979. This one is my personal WhatsApp number. And one more thing is that, student, you have to make a video of this poem also. Read 8 lines of the poem, that means first paragraph of the poem. Read out and memorize it, and send me a video of that poem in this poem in my personal WhatsApp number, so that I know that you are going to learn the things and you are going to memorize the things. So it's very necessary to send the video for all the students. It's necessary. The students which I named in class WhatsApp group, I called in your mobile numbers, but your mobile numbers are switched off. Some numbers are wrong. So please, students, all of you have going to watch the WhatsApp group. Please make sure whenever I told you regarding the videos, you have to send your videos before 5 p.m. before 5 p.m. you have to send a short video of near about 2 minutes video in my personal WhatsApp group, so that I save it in my mobile phone, as well as don't delete that video from your mobile phone, right? So all of you, once again we are going to learn the poem once again. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and someone how and somehow we felt out. The start of it was slight, end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. He hated one another. The afternoon turned back, then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So, this one is the poem of the quarrel. The quarrel means jhagda in between two brothers. So, this poem is composed by Eleanor Ferguson, Eleanor Ferguson, Farjeon, the name of the poet. And in this poem, poet describe about the quarrel between two brothers, how they are quarreling with each other. But after the quarrel, what had happened in the evening, they come together and playing the game. It happens in everyday in our daily life also. We also having a brothers and the sister, and we also going to do a quarrels with them. So all of you learn this poem, and memorize it. And after that, uh, I know that all of you understand the meaning of the poem also. It's very easy. I quarreled with my brother, मैंने झगड़ा किया अपने भाई से. आई डोंट नो व्हाट अबाउट, मुझे नहीं पता किस कारण से. वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर, एक झगड़े से बहुत दूसरा बढ़ता गया. एंड सम हाउ वी फेल्ट आउट, किसी तरीके से बढ़ता गया और झगड़े की शुरुआत धीमी थी. द एंड इज वॉज स्ट्रॉन्ग, लेकिन उसका जो हम दोनों के झगड़े होते गए और इससे क्या हुआ, जो उसका एंड हुआ वो काफ़ी मजबूती पूर्वक हुआ. ही सेड ही वॉज राइट, उसने कहा कि वो सही है. आई न्यू ही वॉज रॉन्ग, लेकिन मुझे पता है वो गलत था. वी हेटेड वन अनदर, हम एक दूसरे से घृणा करते थे. हेटेड मीन घृणा. आफ्टर टर्न बैक, लेकिन बाद में क्या हुआ, देन सडनली माई ब्रदर थम्ड मी ऑन माई बैक, तभी अचानक मेरे भाई ने मेरी पीठ में हाथ रखा. थम्ड ऑन द बैक, और कहा, ओ कम अलोंग, चलो साथ मेरे. वी कांट गो ऑन ऑल नाइट, हम हमेशा इस झगड़े को नहीं बना के रख सकते. आई वॉज इन द रॉन्ग, मैं गलत था. सो ही वॉज इन द राइट, और तुम सही थे. So this one is all about the poem. I already described you the poem in English as well as in Hindi. So all of you learn this poem as well as understood what poet is going to talk about in this poem. And after reading this poem, you have to note down the poem itself also in your English notebook. After that, you have to send it to me in my class group also. You have to send it in the class group also. And make sure whenever you are writing the poem, write the poet name also, because poet name is very necessary to write down. Once more, we are going to learn the poem. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and someone how we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, हम एक दूसरे से घृणा करते हैं. द आफ्टरनून टर्न बैक, देन सडन माई ब्रदर थम्ड मी ऑन द बैक, तभी अचानक मेरा भाई दोपहर में मेरे पास आया. सडन माई ब्रदर थम्ड मी ऑन द बैक, मेरी पीठ में उसने थपथपाया. एंड सेड, ओ कम अलोंग, चलो मेरे साथ. वी कांट गो ऑन ऑल नाइट, हम पूरे दिन ऐसे नहीं रह सकते, पूरी रात ऐसे नहीं रह सकते। आई वॉज इन द रॉन्ग, मैं गलत था। सो ही वॉज इन द राइट, तो तुम सही थे। So this one is all about the poem. I already described you the poem in English as well as in Hindi. So what you have to do, you have to note down the poem, 8 lines of the poem, and the name of the poet also. After that, we'll in a very next day we go through the exercise of this poem. So students, uh, I hope all of you are fit and fine. So students, take care of yourself, wash your hands again and again so that it makes you happy. I i believe all of you are obeying the rules of the coronavirus. Wash your hands and take bath every day, and do your work properly in each and every subject. You have to learn also, because you have lot of work with you. You have to make the videos of the question and answer as well as the definitions. So this one is also be your work. You need to make a videos of the poem as well as the question and answers. You get too much homework, so please, I request all the students, do your work in a proper manner. If you are forgetting the work, what had happened, in a very next day you get a lot of work at lot of work with you. So it may be you in trouble. So don't do that. Work your properly day by day. Complete your work. Don't let it be. Right. So student, what I told you, you need to write down the poem in your notebook as well as memorize the poem, and write the poet name also, which is written in the bottom side of the poem. The name of the poem also, the quarrel. And tomorrow we'll talk about the word meanings of the poem. After completing this poem, we'll talk about the word meanings of the poem. So before telling you the word meanings of the poem, I need to check out that all of you learned the poem or not. So it's very necessary for all of you that you need to learn the poem. 8 lines of the poem. The starting 8 lines of the poem, like, I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and someone we felt out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. So, only that much, only 8 lines of the poem, you have to memorize it and make a video of that poem and send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number, so that I understand that you are going to learn the things. Because without a video, how would I know that you are going to learn the things or not? So it's very necessary for the students to learn the poem and memorize it. And please student, watch this video again and again, so definitely you understand the meaning of the chapter as well. So once again I am going to learn the poem. In the same manner, you also have to learn the poem 2 or 3 times so that it memorized. The name of the poem is The Quarrel, and this poem is composed by Eleanor Friesen. And the poem is like this: I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, one thing led to another, and someone we fell out. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and someone we felt out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. So, this one is about the poem. Once again, I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and someone we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. And the next paragraph. We hated one another. The afternoon turned back. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." It was in the wrong. So he was in the right. Once again. He hated one another. We hated one another. The afternoon turned back. Then sudden my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." It was in the wrong. I was in the wrong. So he was in the right. Eleanor Frozen. The name of the poet. This one is the poem. The name of the poem is The Quarrel. So all of you have to learn the poem as well as you have to write 8 lines, starting 8 lines of the poem in your English notebook, and then after send it to me through WhatsApp in my personal WhatsApp number. So have a great day, all of you, and I think all of you are fit and fine. Take care of yourself. Goodbye and thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.